Today we have the female bluebird sitting on top of the bluebird house. Shannon says there's a bluebird male inside the bluebird house. He's been calling for a female for days. There he comes out of it. For days, if not weeks, looking for love, trying to build a nest. So he's finally lured a female around to have a look at his new place. Will she take a look? Oh, let's go inside and check it out. Is that all the space we've got in there? Not sure about that. So we're just hoping that they'll come together and make a home and have a little nest of bluebirds.